Hey everybody, it's Jared here at Big Pine Sports. You're looking at a 2023 Kawasaki KRX 1000, the Trail Edition. We've just installed the KQR full glass windshield on it, along with the windshield wiper and washer fluid kit. The windshield part number is 99994-1290, and the windshield wiper and washer fluid kit is 99994-1295. Wanted to do a walk around, show you a little bit about this windshield. I absolutely love this windshield from Kawasaki. It fits really good. The seal on it is phenomenal. You can actually take this on and off in less than a minute. All you're going to do is undo these knobs right here and undo these clamps down here, and the whole thing will come right off. If you do have the windshield wiper on it, you do have a nut on the back of this cover you can pull off to pull the whole windshield off. So very easy process, great looking windshield, and you do have some little hidden treasures on it as well. That little KRX down there in the corner. This windshield also bows out like your automotive windshield does in your car or truck. All of the aftermarket stuff, the glass is flat across it, so you do get really good visibility, no metal frame structure around it to interfere with any of your field of view. Very nice. And with the windshield wiper kit, it does control from the inside. You've got a nice swoop on that windshield wiper, covers the whole windshield, and then you do have a washer fluid kit as well. You're going to pop the hood to fill up your tank there. We have not had any issues with the placement of that tank. We have seen comments on videos talking about how rocks and sticks are gonna, break that or rip it off or anything like that. And I've never seen it happen since the introduction of the windshield washer fluid kit. 435-427-3338. You can give us a call or shoot us a text. We'll be happy to get one of these sent your way. Love the KRX. There's your controls on the inside, so you can see the switch on the left is for the wiper. The switch on the right is for the squirters. Have a great day, everybody. This will work on the 2-seater and the 4-seater KRX 1000.